Hello friends, good morning. In previous lecture, we learned the pair of linear equations, and in this lecture, we will discuss the graphical representation of linear equations in two variables. Okay. As we see that there, a linear equation is of the form as ax plus by plus equal to 0, where a and b are constants, a, b, c are real numbers, and x and y are variables. If we take any values of x and y, such as x equal to alpha and y equal to beta, which satisfies this equation as a alpha plus b beta plus equal to 0, then alpha and beta is called. The solution of this equation. In this way, for similar these linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is our pair of linear equation. Okay, now the solution of this equation will be the value of x and y which satisfies the same value of x and y which satisfies both equations. That will be the solution of this pair of linear equations. If x equal to alpha and y equal to beta, then a1 alpha plus b1 beta plus c1 equal to 0 and a2 alpha plus b2 beta plus c2 equal to 0, then alpha and beta will be the solution of this pair of linear equations. Okay, now we see some examples and how we find the roots or solution of the linear equations by the graphical method. Let a question. रोमीला went to stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils. क्या करती है? 2 पेंसिल परचेज करती है and 3 erasers for 9. The cost of 2 pencils and 3 erasers is collectively 9. Her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila, and she also buys 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for 18. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Here are 2 candidates. First, Romila, and second is Sonali. Romila and Sonali go to stationery shop and they bought pencils and erasers. Romila bought 2 pencils and 3 erasers. 2 pencils, 3 erasers. Romila bought 2 pencils and 3 erasers. Okay. While Sonali bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers. 4 pencils and 6 erasers. Okay. Now, the money paid to the shopkeeper by Romila is 9 and by Sonali is 18. The pencils and erasers are of same kind. We have to represent this situation algebraically and graphically. First of all, we represent it algebraically. Let the cost of pencil is x. Cost of eraser is y. Okay. Now, the cost of one pencil is x then the cost of 2 pencil will be 2x. Okay, now the cost of eraser, one eraser is y, 40 erasers 3y. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. Total cost of pencils and erasers is 9. First equation. In second case, C bought 4 pencils, cost of 4 pencil 4x and 6 eraser 6y. Total money paid is 18. Here 18. This is the second equation. Clear? The situation is represented in algebraic expression. Now we have to represent it as graph. For example, we draw two perpendicular axes, first x and second y. The intersection point of x and y is called origin at 0. Okay, now we see that x dash y dash. We solve these two equations. We can write this as 2x equal to 9 minus 3y, or x equal to 9 minus 3y upon 2. Okay, we make a table for the value of x and y for first equation. This is x, this is y. Now x is dependent variable and y is independent variable. We choose the value of y. According to the value of y, we get the value of x. According to the value of y, we get the value of x. First of all, we choose here y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. When you choose y equal to 3, 9 into 3 into 3 upon 2, 3 is 9, 9 is 9, 0, 0 upon 2 means 0. Here the value will be, value of x is 0 and y is 3. Okay. Now, we select the next values. X equal to, we select y equal to 0. We select here y equal to 0. When y equal to 0, 9 minus 3 into 0 means this term will 0 means 9 by 2. X equal to 9 by 2. X equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means 4.5. Here 4.5 and here 0. We get two values and we write these two values on the number line, means axis. The first is 0, 3. The first is 0, 3. At x-axis 0 and y-axis 3 means 1, 2, 3. This point will show here 0, 3. Now we get second. Second is 4.5 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and half. This is 5. This is 4.5. Okay. Now this represents the 4. Here 5. This will represent 4.5, 0. This point will represent 4.5, 0. Now we join these points. These 2 points. This straight line shows. This straight line shows 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Okay. Now we solve the second equation. The second equation is that 4x equal to 18 minus 6y. We can divide by 2. So 2x equal to 9 minus 3y. Or x equal to 9 minus 3y upon 2. 9 minus 3y upon 2. We take here the value of 3. We take here the value of y equal to 3. When y equal to 3 is 9, 9 minus 9, 0, means the value of x will be 0. Here, table. X, y equal to 3, x equal to 0. Okay. Now, we select here the value of y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. When we take y equal to 1, 3 1 is 3, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 upon 2 means 3. Here 1, here 3. Okay. Now, we represent this on the line. Now we select the first condition is 0 3. 0 x-axis, 3 y-axis. This is the 0 3. Now, second one is 3 1. Second one is 3 1. The value will be 3 1 means at y-axis 1 and x-axis 3. Y-axis 1 and x-axis 3. So we see that 1 2 3, here 3 and here 1. This is 1 comma 3. This is 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1. We see that the point lies on the same line. In this way, we represent this graphical representation of the linear lines. This line is also present this equation 4x plus 6y equal to 8. Okay. Now, we see another question. The another question is, two reals are represented by the equations x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. X plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. First of all, we find the value of x and y for this. Here we make a table. Here x, here y. So we can write x equal to 4 minus 2y. Okay. And for this equation, we make it a table. Here x, here y. We can write here 2x equal to 12 minus 4y. Okay. Now, x equal to 12 minus 4y upon 2 or x equal to 2 6 is 12, 2 4, 6 minus 2y. Clear? Now, we see that here the values of x and y. Okay. We choose value of x and we get the corresponding value of y and get the corresponding value of x. We take in first condition here y equal to 2. When we write y equal to 2, so 4 minus 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 4, 0 means when y equal to 2, x equal to 0. When the value of y equal to 2, then 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 minus 4 means x equal to 0. Now, we select y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. 4 minus 2 into 0, distance will be 0. X equal to 4. 0, 4. Okay. Now, we solve this one. We take here x, y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. So 6 minus 2, 3 is 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Means x will be 0 when y will be 3. And we take another value. Next value. Here y equal to 0. When we put y equal 0, 2 minus 2 0 0, 6 minus 0 means 6. Y 0 x equal to 6. Clear? Now we represent it at the graph. See that the values will be presented on the graph as here. X, x dash, y, y dash. The first point is 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way, this is 0, origin. At x-axis 0 and y-axis to 1 here. This will represent 0, 2, this point. And next 4 0. 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 here 4. Y is 0, 4 0. Clear? We take this point P and this Q. We join this. This will represent the equation of line x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now, we take the second value which is 0, 3. Here 0, 3. 1, 2, 3 means here. This will represent 0, 3. Okay? We take it as C. And the next value is 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. This will represent 6, 0. Okay? Now, we find these 2 points. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. 6 will be here. Okay. So we see that these 2 lines are parallel to each other. These 2 lines are parallel to each other. Here 2x plus 4y minus 12. Okay. In this way, we represent graphically and algebraically to the given problems. In next video, we will discuss exercise 3.1. Thank you.